Good morning, everyone. In the last session, we learned about the crystal system. Okay, in that crystal system, up to there are 7 crystal systems are there. In the detail, we studied about 4 types of crystal system. Let's continue the 3 more remained over there. So let's continue with those. So first we studied about the cubic crystal system. In that cubic crystal system there are 3 types are there: simple cubic, body centered cubic, face centered cubic. So here the axis A1, A2, A3 are equal and the angle between them is equals to 90 degree. Then in the tetragonal crystal system there are 2 types are there. One is simple tetragonal system and body centered tetragonal. Here only 2 axes are equal, then another one is which is different one. Here the angle is equal to 90 degree. Then in the orthorhombic there are 4 types are there. One is simple, body centered, face centered and end centered. So here all the axes A1, A2, A3 which are not equal and the angle between them is equal to 90 degree. In the monoclinic there are 2 types. One is simple and another one is end centered. Here the axes are unequal and here only 2 angles which are equal to 90 degree and one more is more than 90 degree. Then today we will discuss about triclinic. Today we will discuss about triclinic crystal system. Here only one crystal system is there. Then how the structure of this triclinic structure is like this. We have to very thorough with these all the crystal structure. They may ask for drawing and you will get easy marks in this crystal system. Okay, here in the triclinic simple one is there. What is there? Here simple crystal is there. In the triclinic, or we can call this as, sometimes for the twisting question purpose they may ask for the asymmetric system. We can call this as asymmetric system. So in this system means in the triclinic system of crystals, neither these 3 crystallographic axes are not equal. Means here if you take this as A1, A2, A3 which are not equal. A1 is not equal to A2 which is not equal to A3. Then where the particles or atoms are arranged? The atoms are arranged at the corner of this unit cell. Here the 8 particles are there or 8 atoms are there. Then these both axes A1, A2, A3 which are not equal, then the angle between them is also not equal. Alpha is not equal to beta which is not equal to gamma. Here these are the angles which are not equal. This is alpha, gamma and beta. Okay, this is all about triclinic crystal system. Then another one is there, that is trigonal. This is 5th one. 6th one is trigonal. Trigonal crystal system. In the trigonal system, it is little different. Okay, in this system there are 3 axes which are right angle to each other. Means the crystallographic angles are equal to 90 degree. Then what is the structure of this tetragonal system? This is while drawing these crystallographic axis and crystal system, we should be very careful while drawing. Then how the atoms arrangement at the corner of this crystal. Here also there are 8 atoms are arranged at the corner. Then this is a trigonal one. This is the trigonal. What are the characteristics of this trigonal crystal system? In the trigonal crystal system, the axis angles are angles alpha equal to beta equals gamma, that equals 90 degree. Okay, only here 2 lateral axes are equal, either A1 or A2 or A1 or A3 or A2 or A3. Only 2 lateral axes are equal. The crystal is characterized by four-fold or tetragonal symmetry. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ four-fold symmetry ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. This is four-fold symmetry crystal system. Then last one is there, that is hexagonal one. Last one is hexagonal crystal system. What is this hexagonal crystal system? In the hexagonal crystal system, it has 8 faces. How many faces it is? It has 8 faces. So then what is the structure of this hexagonal system? So this is the structure of this hexagonal system. Okay. Let's join the remaining parts which are equidistant. Then here this is the hexagonal crystal system. Hexagonal crystal system. The atoms are arranged here. The atoms are arranged like this. Okay, this is the hexagonal system. Then what is the characteristics of this hexagonal system? The hexagonal system has 8 faces. How many faces? 8 faces. 1, 2, let's write. This is first phase, second phase, third, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6, 7, upper one, lower one is 8. 7, 8. It has 8 faces. How many faces? It has 8 faces. Then 2 equilateral axes are equal. Only 2 equilateral axes. Only 2 axes are equal, either AB or BC. Then they will intersect at 180 degree. They will intersect at 120 degree. The vertical axis is different. Here if A is equal to B, then C is not equal to A, or C is not equal to B. This is only 2 axes are equal. Then the right angles to the equilateral axis is gamma is equal to 120 degree, that we got. Then alpha equal to beta, which are equal to 90 degree. This is what about this hexagonal system. The examples for this is H2O, that is ice. We can call that. Let's take ice as ice is nothing but H2O. This ice cube, it is having the hexagonal crystal structure, ice cube. Okay, this is all about the three-dimensional lattice types. Okay, these are the seven crystal systems. These are the basic unit cells crystal system. Then in today's class we will learn about the cube's crystal number. Okay, here in this class we are going to learn about what crystal numbers, number of atoms per unit cell, number of atoms per unit cell. So which are how many atoms which are arranged in simple cube, body centered and face centered. So these are the three types which will occur in various types of crystal system. Either it may be simple cubic or else body centered, face centered or else end centered. So here we are not going to concentrate on end centered, only we will learn about this simple cube, body centered and face centered. Let's discuss about the first we will move through the simple cube. How this simple cube will be there. Simple cube, let's draw a cube. Okay, here the atoms are arranged at the corner. Why? Because we are calling that as a unit cell. Unit cell means the atoms which is at the corner, that we are considering as a unit cell. So which is attached with another face of the crystal. So what is this simple cube system? In the unit cell, it is a cube which is having the atoms or molecules are at corner. Here the atoms are at corner of the crystal or the unit, sorry, not crystal. The atoms are at the corner of the unit cell. So how many atoms are there here? There are 8 atoms. How many? 8 atoms are there, or 8 molecules. You can consider atoms or molecules which are at the corner of this cube. Then each corner atoms is shared by other 8 surroundings. Each corner, this corner will be shared by the other 8. Some more 8 atoms will be here. If I extend this, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again this which will be shared by other 8 atoms. Okay, the cube, the corner atom which will be shared by other 8 surrounding cubes. Okay, then the share of each cube comes 1/8 of the n atom. So if we consider total, if we consider one unit cell, okay, how many atoms are there? 8. Which will be shared by how many atoms are there? 8. Okay, which will be shared by another 8 atoms. Okay, let me write once again. One unit cell ide, one unit cell alli eshtidaವೆ 8 atoms ಇದಾವೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ, ಸಾರಿ ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ 8 atoms ಅದಾವೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ನೋ. ಸೊ if you take any point, any atom which will be shared by another 8 atoms, ಒಂದು ಅಟಮಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತಿನ್ನೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವು? ಸೊ another 8 atoms are there. So total how many atoms are there in simple cube? Only one atom. Okay, there will be remaining only one atom will be in simple cubic system. Okay, then what about at the body centered? So let's draw for the body centered cube. Which will be comes in your annual examination, or else also it will be question for the MSc entrance exam. Okay, MSc entrance exam, this simple cube, body centered and face centered. Okay, so what is the body centered cube? How it will be? A cube, first we will go through the cube. Okay, the atoms are arranged at the corner of this cube. Then body centered, which will be at the center of the body, means center of this unit cell. This is the structure for the body centered cube. So it has 8 corners. 8 corners means 8 atoms. Okay. Then the one atom which will be shared by other 8 atoms. So this is the thing. Then one more is there at the center, plus 1. Okay. Total number of atoms are present at the body centered cube is 2. 8 ones are 8 ones are. So it will be cancelled. 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. So total how many atoms are there in body centered cube? There are 2 atoms are there in body centered cube. In simple cube there is only one atom. There is only one atom at the simple cube. Then one more is there, that is body face centered cube. Face centered cube. That simply we can call this as a FCC. This is BCC. Then this is simple cube, that we can indicate as SC or as SCC. Okay. What is the characteristics of this face centered cube? This face centered cube, it is, let's draw a diagram. We will get into this easily. So atoms which are at the corner, how many atoms are there? There are 8 atoms at the corner, that is a basic one. Then face, how many faces are there? Here the 6 faces are there. The 6 faces are like this. One is at left, right, behind, front one, then upper one, then lower one. So how many faces are there? There are 6 faces are there. In the 6 face, the atoms are arranged at the face surface. Here at the body center of this cube system, here the atoms are arranged at the corner as well as at the face also. So total how many atoms are there? Let's calculate. Total number of atoms per cube. Per cube. Total number of atoms per cube is equal to, so how many atoms are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are at corner, which are shared by another 8 corners. So 6 faces are there. How many faces are there? 6 faces are there. Then these 6 faces which are shared by other 6 adjacent cubes. Other 6 adjacent cubes means 1 by 2. Okay, we will get here 3 into 6 by 2. So total number of atoms is here 8 ones are 1. This is plus 2 ones are 2 threes are, so here 3. So total number of atoms in the face centered cube is 4. How many atoms are present in the FCC? FCC is 4. This is BCC, here 2. This is simple cubic, that is 1 atom are present at the simple cube system. Then